In this video, I'm giving you a quick and honest review of the Tangem Pay Visa card in 2025. If you're into crypto and want a seamless way to spend it, stick around. So what is Tangem Pay? Tangem Pay is a self-custodial crypto payment solution developed by Tangem, integrating directly with Visa's global payment network. It allows you to make crypto payments at millions of Visa-supported terminals worldwide, all while keeping your private keys secure on your hardware wallet. What I like about it: self-custodial. You control your private keys, reducing reliance on third parties. Seamless integration. You can spend your crypto at any Visa-accepting merchant globally. Secure hardware wallet. Your keys are stored offline, protecting them from online threats. Now the not-so-great stuff. Availability. As of now, Tangem Pay is still in development, with production and testing expected to start in mid-2024. Limited information. Specific details on fees, supported cryptocurrencies, and user experiences are yet to be fully disclosed. So, is it worth it? If you're looking for a secure and self-custodial way to spend your crypto, Tangem Pay shows promise. However, with limited information available, it's essential to stay updated on its official release and features. If this review helped, give us super thanks by hitting that heart icon. And don't forget to subscribe for more real reviews. See you in the next one.